Are you looking for new practice management or electronic medical record software for your eyewear business? Are you concerned about the time, effort, and cost it will take to learn how to use a new system like that? Are you looking for a solution that could integrate with your practice's ophthalmic labs, text and email, insurance providers, or medical equipment? Then look no further. Wink is the software you've been looking for. Wink is practice management software and electronic medical records for opticians and optometrists who want to grow their businesses. You can download it completely free via our website at www.downloadwink.com for 30 days and give it a try. You can also schedule a demo with us and we'll guide you through the software, or if you prefer, you can watch one of the many video tutorials we've made available to you via our YouTube channel. Now then, to give you a flavor of what you can expect from Wink, let me take you through the software and teach you how to execute some of your most common everyday tasks. Let's start with booking the appointment. Booking an appointment with your optometrist in Wink couldn't be easier. Begin by clicking on the Calendar tab on your main page. Select the available time slot you want to book. Right-click and click on Book. Now search for your patient in the database and select him from the list. If you're booking a new patient, then click on New Patient and enter his details. Once you've selected your patient, select the type of appointment you're booking him for. If necessary, you can also put him on a waiting list in case something earlier becomes available. And finally, click on Book. And there you have it. Your patient is now booked, and he'll receive a text message or an email to advise him of his booked appointment. And that's just the beginning. Your Wink subscription may also include online booking, insurance eligibility validation, automated recalls, and so much more. Okay, so let's say your patient has arrived for his appointment as scheduled. I'll now take you over to Wink EMR, our electronic medical records module for optometrists available on iPad and PC. I'll start by selecting the patient from the list of booked appointments on this first page. Via these initial tiles, I can enter the results from my patient's medical questionnaire and pre-testing equipment. If any of those devices are integrated with Wink, then a simple click of a button is all you need to do to import that data directly into your EMR. Next, you can click and enter data in sections like Chief Complaint, Visual Fields, Biomicroscopy, or Refraction. Via our EMR, you can also have access to patient history, you can prescribe medication, you can send referral letters, you can bill your patient, and you can forward his final RX to your dispensing team for sale of eyewear. Time to sell him some eyewear. Sales of eyewear via Wink couldn't be easier. To do that, let me introduce you to our dispensing module. Start by clicking on Find Patient, and just like before, type your patient's name in the search bar to access his record. Now, click on New Invoice and New RX Worksheet. Now, this page may seem overwhelming at first, but in fact, there's only 4 things to do. First, enter your patient's RX, like this. Next, enter your patient's fitting measurements. Now, select your frame, either by typing the brand or model number, or by scanning the barcode on it, like this. And finally, select the lenses you want to sell from the catalog we've provided you by first selecting the lens design, then your index or material, and finally, your coating. And that's it. I'm done. All I do now is click back to my invoice page, and as you can see, it's already all filled out and ready to be paid, emailed, and eventually dispensed. Now, there's a lot more I could say about this page, but perhaps the most important thing to highlight for you is our integration with all major ophthalmic labs. Simply click on this button, and Wink will send your order to the lab of your choice. Nothing could be simpler. The last thing I'd like to show you is our reporting module. If you're a store manager or an owner, then you'll be happy to know that Wink comes preloaded with dozens of reports. To access them, simply click on the Reports tab and click on the tiles to cycle through our menus. Here's a quick look at some of our favorites. Your end-of-day report for reconciling sales, payments received, and for obtaining key metrics related to employee performance, discounts provided, and insurance remittances. Your inventory report for graphical and textual information about the frames, contact lenses, and other products you carry in inventory. Your conversion report to quantify the impact that your optometrists are having on your dispensary's sales of eyewear. And finally, your job status report to view the status of all ophthalmic lens orders at all of your labs. We hope this short demo has helped highlight for you some of the key features of Wink PMS. But don't stop there. Download our free trial and try out Wink completely free for 30 days. There's so much more to see and try. And if you'd like, schedule yourself into a free, no-obligation demo with one of our on-staff opticians. We look forward to hearing from you, and we look forward to welcoming you to Wink.